friends, today we are talking potatoes. So we have here the russets, the golds, and the reds. And so the difference between these, if you're gonna be cooking with them, is the russets are more starchy potato. So they're really great for baked potatoes. They're great for fries because the starch helps them expand. So they get really fluffy when you bake with them and cook. Now the reds are more denser. They have less starch and more sugar in them. And so they're gonna hold their shape better. And now the Yukons are kind of a multi-purpose. And so if you don't know what to do, just grab one of these and use that. So when you bring your amazing potatoes home from the store, where are you going to store them? They do need some air, so just make sure you have airflow in them, but a paper bag is a really, really great way, and pretty much everyone has these in your house. You simply put them on the bottom. Don't stack them up too high, because again, you want that airflow in there, and then you just set them in your pantry. A cool, dry place is nice, and then just check them every so often to make sure that they're good, and that is it. Potatoes are so easy, so versatile, and perfect to store in your pantry, great for any dish. And there you go, friends. This is the perfect way to store and use all your potatoes that you get from this amazing state and the different varieties that you can play with in your kitchen.